Next, I have a comment. This is from Gossman949, and this came in today, Monday. I'm 2 weeks status post L5, L6 fusion. And he says, yes, I have a extra lumbar vertebrae. That there's normally 5 vertebrae in the low back, the lumbar spine. Occasionally people do have 6. It's really where part of their sacrum formed differently. It's a segmentation anomaly, which is just kind of interesting. But so he's got it. He's got an L5, L6 fusion and decompression of the nerve. I'm feeling great and walking more than I have in years. Surgery is sometimes really the way to go. I am so happy that you commented, Gossman, because I haven't done surgery for 5 years, but I did thousands of these lumbar fusions back in the day. And my experience, I tried to avoid every fusion I ever did, I tried to avoid. But if you had to, you have to. And my experience was incredibly effective operation for those who need it. I mean, the happiest people I ever dealt with, other than the people with brain stuff who were going to live and not die as a result of what happened, the happiest people I ever encountered as far as pain relief in the spine were definitely these people who had spinal fusion. It just eliminates so many different pain problems and likely permanently. Downside is it's a lot of surgery, but you made it through and you're still smiling, and I appreciate the comment. Thank you for giving it, and have a great day.